Why do cats purr, and how does it help your body relax? The soothing sound is more than a cute noise. It might actually improve your health in surprising ways. Cats purr not only when they're happy, but also when they're stressed, hurt, or scared. This rhythmic vibration comes from the rapid twitching of muscles within their larynx. Scientists believe purring serves multiple purposes: communication, self-healing, and calming. Purring frequencies range between 25 and 150 hertz, which is known to promote tissue regeneration and reduce inflammation. So cats use purring as a natural healing tool. When you listen to a cat purr, your body responds in a surprisingly physical way. The steady, low-frequency sound can slow your heart rate, reduce stress hormones, and even lower blood pressure. This is because the vibrations stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, the part that calms you down. It's why many people find cuddling with a purring cat so comforting and stress-relieving. Research shows that the frequency range of cat purrs can promote healing in bones and soft tissues. Vibrations at those frequencies help stimulate cell regeneration and reduce swelling. This effect might not only benefit cats, but also humans exposed to purring sounds. So when a cat curls up and purrs on your lap, it might be helping you heal too, both physically and emotionally. So cats purr not just to express happiness, but to heal themselves and help you relax. The next time your cat purrs on your lap, remember the surprising science behind that soothing sound. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.